Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn banner using Canva templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva homepage. Log into your Canva account or create one if you haven't done so yet. In the search bar at the top, type LinkedIn banner and hit enter. You will see a variety of LinkedIn banner templates. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Now, you'll see the template layout with customizable elements. To change the text, click on any text box on the banner. Type in your own information, such as your name and job title. Adjust the font style, size, and color using the options in the toolbar. To change images or background colors, click on the respective element. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's library. Drag and drop any new images onto the banner for an updated look. Use the resizing handles to adjust the size of images as needed. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose the format you prefer, like PNG or JPG, from the drop-down menu. After selecting your format, click the download button to save your banner. Now, head to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the camera icon on your current banner to upload the new one. Select the banner file you just downloaded and upload it. Adjust the positioning if necessary, and then click Apply to set it. Congratulations! You have successfully restored your LinkedIn banner using Canva templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.